Vacation lifestyle, a 14-acre lagoon, walking distance from your dream home and private pool. Your agent Alyssa here, and your wish is my command. Welcome to your dream home, this 3,500 square foot home with 5 bedrooms and 4.5 bathrooms with an entryway that'll greet you with opulence and luxury. Come with me so we can take the tour and make sure you stay to the end for more information. Come on. Your agent Alyssa here, and thank you so much for joining me on this tour. This home is not gonna last, so please give me a call for more information and your own private tour. See you soon.